In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Then we have glass and stone materials. US is spending $28.4 billion to import glass and stone material. What are these glass and stone material? From building stone to cement article to glazed ceramic to glass bottles to glass fibers to bedroom ceramic to interior decorative glassware to glass mirrors to safety glass to other stone article, laboratory ware. 11% on the 28.4 billion is for building stones. Stone material used for building, like marbles, stone material used for building. Cement articles, different cement products, clinkers and the like. 10.3% on glazed ceramic. 8.28%. Glass bottles, 7.53%. Glass bottles, 7.53%. Glass fibers, 6.98%. Bedroom ceramic, 6.29%. Interior decorative glassware, 5.7%. Glass mirror, 4.96%. Safety glass, 4.62%. Other stone articles, 3.89%. Laboratory ceramic ware, 3.51%. Ceramic tableware, 1.74%. Glass articles, 1.6%. Porcelain tableware, 5.38%. Rock wood, 1.5%. Asphalt, 1.49%. Ornamental ceramic, 2.38%. Abrasive powder, 2.13%. Milling stone, 1.88%. Insulating glass, 1.31%. Refractory ceramic, 1.17%. Plastic articles, 1.16%. Other glass ceramic, 1.02%. Glass bricks, 0.91%. Refractory brick, 0.95%. Glass with edge workings, 0.9%. US is spending $28.4 billion to import different glass and stone materials.